Sometimes fate is like a small sandstorm that keeps changing direction. If you change direction, sandstorm chases you. You turn again, but the storm adjusts. Over and over you play this out like some ominous dance with death. Just before you dawn. Why? Because there is nothing that blew in from far away. Something that has nothing to do with you. Something inside you. This storm is you. So all you can do is give in to it. Step right in this storm. Closing your eyes, plugging up your ears so the sand doesn't get in. Walk through it. Step by step. There is no sun there. No moon. No direction. No sense of time. Just fine white sand swirling up into the sky like pulverized bones. That's the kind of sandstorm you need to imagine.